Has anyone ever told you that, dude, there's a concept in which you can earn real money by simply just typing words? Well, if no one has ever told you this, then here we are. So today we're going to tell you about a job, or basically a freelancing job, in which you can earn real money. And don't be afraid of the rumors that these are scams. This is a legit website that pays you more than the salary which you get when you work for someone. So if you want to earn some good money, then watch this video carefully till the end, because if you skip the important part, then you skip the money. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. Hit the like and subscribe button with the cash bundle that you're going to earn after watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to press that bell icon because money never rings the bell, but we do. With that being said, let's get into it. I know it's not well known, but you can make money typing names on the internet. Or more precisely, creating and selling names. Imagine cool, imaginative names, and boom, you can earn $300 in as little as a week by typing them online. So how come you earn money by doing this? Well, there's an online company called SquadHelp that offers this service. Why SquadHelp? Well, it's because SquadHelp allows you to make more money than other typing jobs. This means it can be a really profitable side gig. Let's take a deeper look at SquadHelp and how you can make money typing names online. So, what is SquadHelp? SquadHelp is a crowdsourcing site that helps startups find awesome names, logos, and taglines, all from its online community of 70,000 freelancers. SquadHelp lets businesses and entrepreneurs buy names/domains, logos, and branding from freelancers. You can buy them on the SquadHelp Marketplace, a big online shop of thousands of brands, or you can create contests for freelancers to enter. This is an example of a brand name, domain name, and logo design available on the SquadHelp Marketplace. Did you see the price tag on that one? You're going to make a lot of cash when this name sells. When I say when, it's because SquadHelp's full of business owners and entrepreneurs. So far, they've helped over 14,000 brands find their perfect name. So is SquadHelp legit? Yes, SquadHelp is a legit crowdsourcing site where you can get paid to create logos for businesses. As mentioned before, SquadHelp's community of over 70,000 creatives has already helped over 14,000 businesses and entrepreneurs come up with names, logos, and slogans. Additionally, SquadHelp has a 4.6 out of 5 excellent rating on Trustpilot. So when it comes to naming companies or tapping into thousands of name ideas for your business, you should definitely consider this high rating. Can you make money with SquadHelp? Well, the short answer, yes. It is definitely possible to earn money on SquadHelp by creating company names. Here's an example of one of the top creatives on the platform right now. This SquadHelp member has already made over $70,000 by selling names on the marketplace and winning naming contests. So there's definitely money to be made. However, if you really want to make good money on SquadHelp, you need to come up with creative and original names. Or if you want, logos and taglines. You won't make much money from SquadHelp if you enter the wrong names into contests. If your name is good, you'll get more likes, and so you'll get closer to Tier A creative status. So if you have a good name idea, how much money can you make? You can make money on SquadHelp based on how many contests you enter, what the prize money is, how many you win, and if you sell stuff on the marketplace. Prize money for each contest depends mainly on the pricing package a business bought. For example, SquadHelp offers the following plans for business names, and you can see how much you'll earn for winning each of them. Bronze. Business cost, $299. Prize to creative, $135. Gold. Business cost, $449. Prize to creative, $200. Platinum. Business cost, $749. Prize to creative, $300. Managed. Business cost, $999. Price to creative varies, but expect $300 to $500. Good money, right? But how would you sign up for SquadHelp and make money typing? Well, SquadHelp is free and easy to join. Just go to SquadHelp and click sign up in the top right corner. You'll get this account setup screen. And if you're wanting to get paid to name companies, then click on join as a creative or marketplace seller. After you join SquadHelp, you will be vetted, in a way, as a new creative on the platform. They will automatically assign you only 2 contests you can enter. You can't enter any other contests beside these 2. Basically, you must prove you've got good name ideas to contribute to the platform in these first 2 contests. When businesses like your ideas in those first 2 contests, SquadHelp will let you participate in any contest available to creatives. Now let's take a look at contests and other ways you can make money on SquadHelp. So how do you make money on SquadHelp? First, enter contests. Now that your account is set up, you need to enter naming contests. If you want to earn money typing names, this is the best way to go. Most Squad Help contests last about a week, and you'll win between $100 to $300, although some give even more. You'll want to start by looking for active contests. I recommend filtering the search results by naming only active contests and prize guaranteed. This is what the search dashboard looks like. To give you a taste of all the contests you can enter, here's a list. Naming only, naming and taglines, tagline only, logo and design. So if you feel like you're ready for any of these other kinds, go for it. Again, the more contests you enter, the more likely you are to make money. And while you're searching for naming contests, they'll tell you what you need to do to enter. Here are some contest descriptions. It's important to note that all of them, in this screenshot, require you to sign a non-disclosure agreement, NDA. This is to protect the information in a company's branding project brief, which details their company idea, mission, business model, target markets, everything a business doesn't want to be leaked. So don't worry about signing the NDA. In business, and especially in startups, it's pretty standard. You'll also notice that the contest search results will specify the prize amount by a jewel icon, the company's industry, and whether or not the contest is open to all creatives, or what's known as Tier A creatives. Whoa, wait, what are Tier A creatives? Well, this category is for Squad Help creatives, who have proven over and over again that their naming ideas are good, and usually have won multiple competitions or sold names on the marketplace. So, how would you achieve Tier A status? Well, the answer is simple. Don't enter random names in contests. Yes, you can make money typing names, but your name has to fit the business's description, be unique, appealing, and also have a corresponding domain name. But don't worry, you can use Squad Help to check if your clever name ideas are also available as URLs or domain names. Now that you've entered a contest, you can see how successful your names have been. Businesses will mark your ideas as no thank you, on right track, like it, love it, shortlisted. And if your names are marked as love it or shortlisted, then you have a chance of winning the contest and that glorious prize money. But that's not it. There's another way to earn money online with Squad Help, selling on the Squad Help marketplace. Usually, you won't just sell names, you'll sell a brand package, like company name, corresponding domain/URL, logo, a brief about description, possible uses, what industries and types of companies the name fits, root words used, key emotions and feelings the name triggers in consumers. The better each of these sections is, the more money you'll make from names. And there are tons of business categories you can name. The top categories on Squad Help are beauty, agency and consulting, e-commerce, fashion and clothing, finance, real estate, tech. You can make and sell names in whichever categories you're interested in, or feel like you've got good ideas for. But how much can you make on the Squad Help marketplace? Basically, if your names, logos, and descriptions entice businesses, you can sell branding packages for thousands of dollars. Yes, that's not a typo, thousands of dollars. Most of them go for $2,000 to $5,000 each. And if your names don't sell right away, you can change your price later and put them up for auction. After that, businesses will make offers, which can be compared before you decide which is best. Therefore, if you have great company name ideas, start typing away and list them on the marketplace. It is a great way to make money on the Squad Help platform, especially if you can create attractive logos to match. And that's it for the day, guys. It would be appreciated if you share this video as much as you can and subscribe so that you never miss a video from our channel. And see you in the next one.